All right, we're going to be opening up our August mystery tackle box. This is the second one that I've received. First one wasn't bad. This one, we'll see what happens. I've not looked into this as of yet. Let's see what we got here. Bucca's Baby Bull Shad by Catch Company. Okay. Let's see, it must be this thing right here. Usually the most expensive is the biggest. And let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'll look forward to that. Yeah. $14.99. Stickies Wacky Drop Shot Hook. It must be this. Wacky Rig Drop Shot Hook. Okay, a number of these. I don't know if you can see those. Another lost one. That's all right. What else we got here? I need to put my glasses on. Booyah Baby Boo Jig, right here. $3.29 for that. The hooks are $4.99. And we got Xcite Baits Raptor Tail Chunk, $2.50. Wait, no. Yeah, sorry. Probably do well here in the murky waters of Oklahoma. And then Big Bite Baits Smallie Smasher. All right, am I reading that? Big Bite Baits, yeah. I need to have my glasses on or my contacts, one of the two. Yeah. So it looks like there's about maybe 5 of those in there. Oop, there's the hook. And a catalog included. Maybe because that's my first real one. I don't know if that's a normal thing. They send out a catalog for the year that you're in, mid-year. But I would assume it's because I'm a new customer to these folks. But so far for $16.99 per month, it's not too bad as far as the cost is concerned. I'll probably do another one of these bass boxes and then switch over to the panfish, see what I can do in there, what I can get a hold of. But I do thank you for watching. You try and have a great day. Subscribe.